Good evening, everyone. How are you tonight? Every day I have something nice for you, surprise. Here is the pumpkin. Exactly. And I have for you later fantastic and amazing dessert. Okay, now I want to cut here. 1 second. One second. And is the yeah. 1 second. I want to put the cam because I want to see the I put here on the table. Yeah. Voila. Yeah. It's good. And now I put here over there inside. And I'm waiting, and after fantastic and amazing plate for you, for you, for you, for you, for everybody in this earth. Thank you so much, guys. Kiss you. Love you. Bye bye. Beautiful weather outside for traveling. Yes. After I finish with my pumpkin, I go in the sea because I want to catch the fantastic fish. Yesterday I not catch nothing, but today yes, because it's not winning outside. Yes, it's good. And I want to prepare the fantastic dish for tomorrow because it's the last day from this week and I want to eat fish. Okay guys, now I want to close. Stay safe and see what is happening in this with my life every day. Thank you so much. Bye.